Hi guys, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a complex clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop. Method 1, using the clipping mask options. Launch Photoshop on your computer. Go to File, New, or press Ctrl plus and Window or Command plus and go to Layer, New Layer, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus and Window or Command plus Shift plus and place an image on the new layer by going to File, Place, or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P, Window or Command plus Shift plus P. Create a shape layer by selecting the Shape tool, shortcut View, and